This is the new variety, grafted from seeds. I have 4 of them. This is the first fruit. What do you think, guys? Leave me a comment. What do you think the color is gonna be? It's grafted from here, from seeds. There's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 over there. This is one of them. And this is the second one. With his buds here. This have the white variety. And this is another one, have flower. This is mixed Ballora with the American Beauty. This is Scorpion with American Beauty. Have buds here. All these is gonna be a new variety. They're gonna have a name start. If they taste good, they're gonna take name AZ1 and AZ2 and AZ3. Yeah, all that in this pot. New, this is the new variety. We'll try it. Good size fruit. Let's go and see. You think white, pink, purple? Is it sweet? Let's go and try. Asunta 4, huge. Enigma here. Give me more fruit. This is a KVA. And this is a Michelle. Weather this year helped me with my Dragun. Oh, this is a nice physical graffiti. This is Purple Haze, and here Natural Mystic, this one, and Orange Components. Yeah, the weather has helped. Royal Red, Maria Rosa, Rainbow, Sweet Julie, Desert King Diego. All these cuttings, they're gonna come. And this is the Orange Giant buds, Orange Giant fruit. They are not ready. Yeah, let's go, guys, and try the new fruit. This is Asunta 3 ready. I like to cut them when they are like this. And Scorpion have the fruit, have a lot of buds. A new wave is coming. Baby Cerrado ready to. Let's go check the fruit. I hope it tastes good. Look how beautiful. Scorpion, one of my favorite. A lot of fruit. This is cotton candy, Orange Components. We still have more buds and more fruit coming. Yeah, this is my first fruit. AZ1, the hybrid. I don't know if it's white or pink. I don't know what the color. I plant that from seed, then I graft it. And this is take me 3 years until I have the new variety. It's a good size fruit. I think it's more than 1 pound. Let's see. Yes, 1 pound, 5 ounce. Good size fruit. I'm gonna try the taste now and see how it's taste and how it's look. I hope it's good. Oh, so excited. What do you think of the color? What do you think the color? I'm not gonna. White. This is white. This is white variety. Wow. Interesting. The seeds, they are tiny, small. Okay. Let's see the sugar level. This is white variety, grafted. Let's see. .6. Okay, this is the sugar level is amazing, and doesn't have thick skin. Really beautiful fruit, white. Oh my goodness, guys, this is really amazing. White variety, big fruit. It tastes like honey.
My turn.
It tastes like honey. I'm telling you, try. It tastes like honey. I'm not gonna say sweet. It's honey. I love it. It tastes like honey.
Tastes so good.
It's really, you can feel the sweetness. Oh my goodness. This is my first hybrid, guys. I've been waiting for 3 years for this one. I still have like 3 more varieties. I hope they're gonna be nice like this. This is white. White and really interesting, amazing. Oh my goodness. The sugar level is so sweet. This is like Palora. Wow. It tastes like, try to, something sweet. Honey, lychees. I cannot tell, but it's, you can feel the, wow, this is really amazing fruit, guys. The cutting is gonna be available soon with a limited supply. Really sweet dragon fruit. Okay, this is short video for today, just to taste my new variety. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Yeah, the new variety AZ1. It's a white variety. It's a super sweet. And this is Hanna with Sugar Dragon. I think it take the color from Hanna and the sweetness from Sugar Dragon. I think so. I don't know. What do you think, guys? You can leave me a comment. But this is interesting. I like to have a white variety, big size fruit. And even I like the color, it's white. Sometimes the white variety is like a gray. Small seeds. And tastes really like honey. I love it.